You're watching India First. I'm Gaurav Sawant. There's breaking news that's coming in. It's the Delhi NCR builder mafia nexus that we've caught on camera. India Today's special operation Black Money Mafia shows how the builder mafia in Delhi and in the NCR is converting black money to white and vice versa. 40% cashback in white, 60% in black. We tell you how the builder mafia is colluding with tax evaders and defaulters. They're converting old 500 rupee notes and 1000 rupee notes. How are they doing it? We'll explain that to you on the broadcast.
कैपेसिटी आप बताइए कितने करोड़ तक की कैपेसिटी है आपकी कि आप जो ब्लैक को कन्वर्ट करा सकते हैं?
देखो उसमें दो ऑप्शन है, या तो प्रॉपर्टी खरीद लो, प्रॉपर्टी जैसे 60-40 का रेशो हम एक्सपेंड करा देंगे, 60% ब्लैक करा देंगे, 40% व्हाइट करा देंगे।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a war on black money. He asked people to cooperate in national interest. He conceded there may be problems initially, but in the long run, the nation will benefit. India will benefit. Despite facing hardships, the common man is on the streets supporting this yagya for nation building, ahuti for nation building. But there are also demons, the asurs, unscrupulous elements out to make this endeavor fail. On India First, we tell you how a well-oiled nexus is at work in Delhi and in the national capital region. They're converting black money into white for a cost. So for every 100 rupees in black, the builder mafia promises to give you 40% cashback in white. It doesn't end here. You even have the option of paying in black and the mechanism of getting a part payment in white sometime later. Jamshed Khan and Sushant Pathak get us this special investigation.
To break the grip of corruption and black money, we have decided that the 500 rupee and 1000 rupee currency notes presently in use will no longer be legal tender.
The Modi government's big black money gambit. India's biggest ever war on dirty cash.
जब से ये 500,000 के नोट बैन हुए उसके बाद से डिले आई हैं ब्लैक मनी के एडजस्टमेंट
आ जाएंगे सर,
आ जाएंगे।
कल तो पूरे दिन सब कुछ वही है, लोग अपने सीए से बात कर रहे हैं, इससे बात कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद रात की तलाश रहेगी क्या हो रहा है।
आज कितने आएंगे?
आज होंगे 4 से 5 बजे से
ब्लैक मनी।
But a small determined group of black money hoarders are out to sabotage the drive. India Today has now proof of how a bunch of builders is colluding with black money hoarders to launder the huge stock of ill-gotten cash. The modus operandi is simple. The builders first get full payment from such customers in black. Such a payment is not entered into the books, but it comes with a promise. The customer will get back portions of the investment in white when paying EMIs.
आप अभी बता रहे थे कि जिसमें आप वापस भी कर देंगे।
हाँ वापस, हाँ उसमें क्या है, समझ लो आपके पास 2 करोड़ रुपए है, 2 करोड़ रुपए अपने कंपनी को अपने दे दिए, मेरे को दे दिए, वो आपको मेरे से ले लिया तो हमने कंपनी को दे दिया, वो आपको 2 करोड़ रुपए की हमने प्रॉपर्टी बुक कर लेंगे, आपके 4 फ्लैट आपके हो गए। अब इस केस में क्या है, समझ लो आपके पास वाइट कहीं से आता है, एक साल 2 साल जब भी आपके जितना टाइम लेते हैं,
2-3 लाख रुपए आ गए मेरे पास।
2-3 वाइट मांगे तो 2-3 लाख रुपए वाइट में बिल्डर को पेमेंट कर दो, उससे न्यू करेंसी में 2-3 लाख रुपए वापस मिलो पैसे वाले।
वो मिल जाएगा?
हाँ मिल जाएगा, वो मिल जाएगा।
तो मतलब जैसे जैसे हम पैसा देते रहे
वो भी आपको वापस उतना उसी रेशो में वो वापस करा,
ब्लैक मनी जो है वो कन्वर्ट होकर नई करेंसी में
आपको मैं दिलवाता।
Listen in to the consultant of a Noida-based real estate giant behind dozens of high-profile real estate projects.
आप एक काम करिए, इसमें आप मुझे कैलकुलेट करके इनको बता दीजिए कितना ब्लैक अमाउंट होगा, कितना वाइट होगा, पूरा कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए।
इसकी सर वाइट वैल्यू रहेगी 69,89,840 की
69 लाख मतलब 1,27,00,000 में से-
69,89,000 मतलब 70 लाख वर्ल्ड
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ
70 लाख क्या होगी?
वाइट ऑन पेपर वैल्यू चलेगी
और दूसरा
57,18,960 का एडजस्टमेंट हो सकता है
57 लाख रुपए के करीब का एडजस्टमेंट हो जाएगा ब्लैक में
57 लाख ब्लैक के ये करा देंगे।
हाँ हाँ
नोट वही पुराने होंगे 500 और 1000
हाँ हाँ
जो बंद हो गए।
मुझे पता है सर
The scenes repeated themselves as our investigative team went to another high-profile real estate consulting firm.
कैपेसिटी आप बताइए कितने करोड़ तक की कैपेसिटी है आपकी कि जो आप जो ब्लैक को कन्वर्ट करा सकते हो।
देखो उसमें दो ऑप्शन है या तो प्रॉपर्टी खरीद लो प्रॉपर्टी जैसे 60-40 का रेशो हम एडजस्टमेंट करा देंगे आपको 60% ब्लैक करा देंगे और 40% वाइट करा देंगे पता हम करा देंगे
Desperate evaders are deluging builders with offers to pay piles of currency. Many reveal that they have large piles of cash and are ready to make immediate payment.
कल एक क्लाइंट 5 करोड़ रुपये दे गया
हैं?
कल एक 5 करोड़ रुपये
कल क्लाइंट 5 करोड़ दे गया आपको ब्लैक का?
बड़ा दबा है थे उनका वैसे बिजनेस है कोई
In absence of any paperwork, the entire laundering racket is running on trust. Black money hoarders sitting on piles of stack are so desperate that they are ready to go to any extent. With India Today's special investigation teams Jamshed Khan and Sushant Pathak, Bureau Report, India Today.
India Today Group's managing editor Rahul Kanwal now joins me with more on the story. Rahul, explain this to our viewers. How does this business actually work and what's the guarantee that that money would actually be returned to the client in white at a later date?
Gaurav, that's the one question that's been in the mind since the time we broke this investigation. If all these real estate agents are taking the money, what do they intend to do with it? What is their modus operandi? Let me try and explain that to our viewers. First and foremost, all these builders are showing the sale of these properties as being backdated. So before the 8th of November, they're showing huge number of transactions. They're saying that the money for those transactions are being received now, the post the 8th of November after the Prime Minister's big announcement. So the sale, they say, happened earlier. It didn't, but that's just to show in their book of accounts the money they're now showing as they've received right now. The builders essentially realized that the income tax department this year would be overwhelmed because suddenly the number of transactions in all books of accounts would be jumping. How many violators would the IT department be able to get hold of? So the essential calculation, the estimate of India's intelligence agencies is that it is impossible for the IT department to check all books of accounts. So therefore, a majority of the builders who are doing this hope that they will get away.
Okay. Rahul Kanwal, for the moment, many thanks. Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more. And it's not just property. Gold is the new black money. Gold, silver, diamonds, dealers and jewelers are openly taking large sums of 500 and 1000 rupee notes in lieu of gold. India Today's undercover reporters, they fanned out across the country. This isn't restricted just to the big cities, even in smaller cities. It's not just a few thousand rupees, not even a few lakh rupees that's being traded. The conversation you're about to hear will shock you. This is an India Today special investigation in the land of black gold now.
500 and 1000 rupee currency note will no longer be legal tender.
India Today's investigative teams out and about on the streets to expose attempts to sabotage the country's clampdown on black money. You saw inventive touts for VAT-exempt traders swapping banned currency with legal tender. Now, we show you gold for cash shops and Hawala rackets working overtime to short-circuit India's move to flush out unaccounted wealth from the system. All angling for a pie in the sudden upsurge of black money market. In a country where gold is one of the most preferred investment instruments, these bullion traders are selling the precious metal at a hefty premium in exchange for outlawed banknotes. This is Rishabh of KP Jewels, bartering 10 grams of gold at around 55,000 rupees for invalid currency. Listening to him.
54,000 रुपये का 10 ग्राम का जो 10 ग्राम जो होता है वो ये 2 किलो मिल पाएगा मेटल का, और इससे ज़्यादा अवेलेबल नहीं।
कितने का पड़ेगा?
2 किलो आपको हो गया कुछ 1 करोड़ 8 लाख रुपये, 9 लाख रुपये, 1 करोड़ 9 लाख रुपये।
और इसमें कोई मेरे को कोई पैन कार्ड कुछ देने की जरूरत नहीं, सिर्फ पैसा आपको दे दो।
A stunning black marketing of gold for revoked banknotes. You heard him demanding 54,500 rupees for 10 grams, when the market price stands at around 31,000 rupees. India Today also found heavy black marketing of ornaments in Delhi's jewellery hub of Chandni Chowk. Here, Gehna Jewellers offered 18-carat ornaments at 47,000 rupees in high denomination notes.
दो करोड़ का।
हाँ जी,
क्या रेट
राम जी। अरे गोल्ड की तैयारी है क्या? कल परसों की आगे पीछे की?
ज्वेलरी का बता दो।
आपको
47 में कौन सा कैरेट?
बहुत ही 47 की कैरेट पूछोगे क्या? आजकल माल मिलता वही बड़ी बात है बड़े भाई। बता देते हैं वैसे
18 तो यार कुछ भी नहीं है। 75% की रिड्यूस।
75%।
Indeed, a staggering price. But these traders guarantee unlimited quantity even for dead cash.
जितना चाहिए जितना होना चाहिए उतना 2 CR का हो जाएगा। आप 3 CR के लिए।
This underhanded market has turned hot after Tuesday's currency regulation. Traders here are encouraging hoarders to park their black money in gold. Manipulating books is not an issue for these jugaad mechanics of parallel economy.
1 करोड़ 40 लाख का सुबह से अभी तक सेल हो गया है।
A massive sale of bullion assets is a matter of hours. This jewelry store in Noida would demand no identity proof from its high net worth customers. Traders here explained to our undercover reporter how they could manage their accounts. Listen in carefully.
आप लोग तो कोई पैन कार्ड देगा नहीं।
नहीं, पैन कार्ड वही मैं पूछने वाला था, मैं कुछ दूंगा नहीं।
पैन कार्ड देगा नहीं। हमको तो 1.5 पौने 2 लाख के बिल काटने पड़ेंगे, सारा टैक्स खुद भरेंगे। साल के एंड में 30% का प्रॉफिट भी, प्रॉफिट के ऊपर 30% टैक्स वो भी भरेंगे।
You heard these shadowy bullion businessmen out to circumvent the government's historic cleansing of dirty money. Now we show you Hawala operators shortchanging repealed currency in bulk. In Chandni Chowk's Kocha Khasiram, this money launderer, Raju Sharma, promised to deliver 1 crore in 2 installments in Mumbai.
25 पेटी तो मिल जाएगा आपको कल नहीं परसों।
ठीक है।
25 पेटी परसों मिल जाएगा, और 75 पेटी मिलेगा आपको 5 या 6 दिन के बाद।
5-6 दिन के बाद।
अब देख लो,
75 लाख मिलेगा 5-6 दिन के बाद।
और छोटा मिलेगा, छोटा मिल जाएगा।
You heard Sharma would organize delivery of 1 crore rupees in legal tender in a week in the same business district of Chandni Chowk. Shahid is another Hawala broker. He promised instant delivery of money in exchange for banned banknotes in Ahmedabad.
अगर पेमेंट आपको अहमदाबाद में चाहिए तो अभी हो जाएगा।
उसमें भी उतना ही है। उसमें कितना कमीशन होगा?
कमीशन ज़्यादा बता रहे हैं इस वक्त।
कितना?
25-30 का मान लीजिए।
25 मतलब?
25-30%।
The government has sternly warned the secretive industry against attempts to open parallel routes for black money transfers. But the warnings do not seem to be discouraging the country's wheeler dealers. With Mohammad Hizbullah and Amit Chaudhary, this is India Today's special investigation team.
I now want to shift focus to the good news story of the day. A historic day for India as it signed the landmark civil nuclear agreement with Japan, the only country to have suffered a nuclear attack and extremely sensitive about this issue. In fact, Japan trusts India. That's the fact, and that's a big shot in the arm for India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe also talked about the strategic ties between the two countries. Defense ties to Indo-Pacific region, a clear signal to China. The Prime Minister will take a bullet train journey tomorrow to Kobe, where Shinkansen, which is the Japanese bullet train, its production line is situated.
This is how Prime Minister Narendra Modi was greeted when he touched down in Tokyo for a 3-day India-Japan annual summit. The Indian community too coming in large numbers to welcome their Prime Minister. While the trip is strategically important for Japan's support to India's NSG bid, Modi started his visit by addressing business leaders in Tokyo and pitching for stronger ties between the two countries.
Strong India, strong Japan will not only enrich our two nations, it will also be a stabilizing factor in Asia and the world.
India and Japan inked a landmark civil nuclear agreement providing India access to nuclear technology as a resolve to combat cross-border terrorism. The nuclear deal is a historic step in India's engagement to build a clean partnership, as India is not a signatory to the NPT. The pact will also make it easier for US-based companies to set up atomic plants in India, as India plans to ramp up nuclear capacities more than 10 times by 2032.
Today's signing of the agreement for cooperation in peaceful use of nuclear energy marks a historic step in our engagement to build a clean energy partnership.
ただいま日印原子力協定に調印できたことを大変喜ばしく思います。
After meeting Japan's Foreign Minister Fumio Kishida, former Prime Minister Yoshiro Mori and Emperor Akihito, Prime Minister Modi and Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe travelled to Kobe by the famed bullet train. And as the two leaders spent quality time on high-speed Shinkansen train, one hopes this partnership fructifies, apart from many other things, into India's entry into the elite NSG group. Bureau Report, India Today.
So was it for cash or was it for cameras that Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi queued up at the State Bank of India's Parliament Street branch in Delhi? Because many customers said it was a nightmare for them. They were hassled. They couldn't get their cash in time. We bring you this ground report.
It was a scene like any other bank across the country. People queuing up to get cash till suddenly excitement. Rahul Gandhi had arrived to feel the pulse of the people, the problems they face post the government's Operation Black Money. Selfies abounded.
सरकार इनके लिए चलनी चाहिए, 15-20 लोगों के लिए नहीं चलनी चाहिए। अगर वो 15-20 लोग यहाँ नहीं खड़े हैं, उनको तो कोई कठिनाई नहीं हो रही ना, इनको कठिनाई हो रही है। नहीं, गरीब व्यक्ति को कष्ट हो रहा है। मैं यहाँ 4000 रुपए बदलने आया हूँ। जब मैं यहाँ पहुंचा, लाइन को अंदर कर दिया, तो जब मैं यहाँ आया हूँ, लोगों को अंदर कर दिया है। मैं लाइन में खड़ा होना चाहता हूँ, इसलिए मैं यहाँ आया हूँ।
He stood in queue, commiserated with people, reminded them that they were being victimized while the suit boot people were being protected by their sarkar. But his show of solidarity soon degenerated into a free-for-all chaos.
स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में काफी अफरा तफरी मच गई है क्योंकि राहुल गांधी यहाँ पे लाइन में खड़े हुए हैं। साफ तौर पे जिस तरह से यहाँ पे धक्का मुक्की हो रही है,
Absolute situation that is next to a stampede-like situation. You have one cordon of CRPF, you have another cordon of Delhi Police, and another cordon of SPG.
नहीं तो अंदर
Eventually, 45 minutes later, the Congress vice president left with his desired cash. But what of the others who stood in line for the same privilege? Did the champion for the cause actually end up defeating it? With Anindo and Moshmi in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.